Seeing the error, cannot create Apple ID at this time when trying to set up a new account? Here's how to fix that. First, sign out of any existing Apple ID. Tap your name at the top, scroll down and sign out fully. Restart your device before trying again. If Apple servers are down, you'll see the message, so check Apple system status page to make sure the Apple ID sign-in service is green. If it shows issues, wait and try again later. Next, make sure your iPhone's date, time and region settings are correct. Go to General, tap Date and Time and enable Set Automatically. Under Language and Region, confirm your country matches your Apple ID region. Then verify you're using a stable network, switch from Wi-Fi to cellular data or try another connection. VPNs have caused errors for many users. If you still can't, try creating your Apple ID through the App Store, Settings, or via a web browser at account.apple.com. Sometimes using a different method works better on the same device. Some people fix it by using a different email that hasn't been used recently. Avoid brand new or obscure domains and give it time between attempts. If you're stuck trying to create or reset an Apple ID on a device already tied to a forgotten account, here's the option. MagFone iPhone Unlocker removes the Apple ID associated with the device without needing the password. It's helpful if you just need to remove the old ID and start fresh.